Good morning. So one of the most elegant features of Python programming is list comprehension. It is a standalone feature of Python. List comprehension. Okay. In mathematics, we used to declare a list or set of numbers. So there are xn elements in a list X. Now we generate list Y from X such that every Y is square of X. So y1 is x1 square, y2 is x2 square, y3 is x3 square, x4 square, and so on. So instead of writing every x squared to get y, there is a shortcut. We can also write x square for all x in list x. What does it mean? It says that every x in x is squared to get its counterpart y. Is this clear? This is mathematical representation, right? In Python, we write this as set y or list y is equal to x square for x in list x. That's it. See how close a Python feature is to mathematics. This is called list comprehension. Okay. Let us write a program for the same. Taking one online compiler for Python. I take it. Now I take for Python, not for C. Now let me start writing the program. I created a set X, list X with elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, say 90. Now I want to generate Y. Every Y is its counterpart X squared. So what I write, lowercase x is any x in X square for x in X. That's it. Now let us print the list X as well as the list Y. Okay. You can see the output. Now let us go back to our writing area, the paintbrush. Don't save it. Let us enlarge it. So if we have a set X or list X, don't worry. Sometimes I call it as set, sometimes I call it a list. And one more. So 10 to 60. I have a set Z which is derived from X and Y in such a way that Z1 is X1 plus Y1, Z2 is X2 plus Y2, Z3 is X3 plus Y3, and so on. Okay. Instead of writing expressions for every Z term, I can write one single expression which represents all, like X plus Y for all X and Y in sets X and Y. Okay. This is universal expression for every X and every Y to get every Z. Hope you understand it. Now, the same in Python is written as Z is equal to X plus Y for X comma Y in when there are two or more lists. And we use a method called zip. What zip does? It takes one X from X, one Y from Y, and make X plus Y for Z. First time it takes 1, 10 and make 1 plus 10. Second time it takes 2, 20 and makes 2 plus 20 and so on till the lists are exhausted. Okay. Now let us write a Python program for the same. Now, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is Y, which is also an input 1, 10, 11, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Right? Now, let us generate Z from X and Y, which is X plus Y for X comma Y. When there is more than one list, we use a method called zip. Input is X comma Y. That's it. Now 1 plus 10, 11, 2 plus 20, 22, and so on. Let us print all. Is this clear? This is list comprehension for multiple lists. Only difference is you put zip. Okay. Let us extend this example to for the problem of creating mail ID. We have 3 input lists. First names Mahendra. Second one Amitabh. Third one Shakuntala. These are first names. Now last names. Dhoni, then Bachchan, and then Devi, a mathematician. Now let us have domains also. This is cricket.in. Let me take some hypothetical domains close to their field of expertise. This is maths.in. Now, I want to write list comprehension to create mail IDs. 0th character of first name followed by dot, followed by last name, followed by the rate, followed by the domain. Okay. Output list is mail IDs. Let first is any mail ID, sorry, any first name, take 0th character, add dot to it, add complete last name to it, add at the rate symbol or operator or character. Now add domain to it. Okay. Because I cannot write entire statement in one line, I go to next line by using line extension character. For any first name is first, any last name is last, any domain is domain. Again, one more line, zip, list names are first names, last names, this is zip, first names, last names, and domains. Okay, that's it. Now I want to print, I do not want to print all mail IDs in one single line. I use for each feature. Say for mail ID in mail IDs print mail ID. This prints one mail ID per line. Okay, let us run it. Zip is not subscriptable. I think I used subscriptable square brackets. Zip is a method, in fact. So you can see from Mahindra M, for Amitabh A, from Shakuntala S. Then added dot. You can see it here. Then added entire last name. Then domains. This is cricket to be precise. Okay, and that's it. I hope you understand list comprehension. In the next session, we will learn about conditional list comprehension and its applications. Thanks a lot. I hope you understand it. Thank you.